Alright, just seafoam motor, put some in the crankcase. Also put some inside the gas tank. Start her up and hopefully clean some of the stuff out of her. Open this up so you can see. There. Definitely a little gunked up. A little gunked up there, so hopefully this will do the trick for it. Step would be to add automatic transmission fluid to the crankcase. Let it flush for an oil change. And plan on doing this go to update this, put that in up in our viscosity and oil weight. Well, one of my halo lights wasn't working, so I think this one. I looked in there, and doesn't look like the previous guy did that well of a job. So going through, checking connections, and redid this one already. See if I can turn the flash on. Redid that one already. Put some dielectric grease in it. Working on this one. This one looks good. So it's gonna be my project before I start the oil change here. Redid that one already. Put some dielectric grease in it. Working on this one. This one looks good. So it's gonna be my project before I start the oil change here. Alright, got a nice Bose piece of wire. Throw this up here. It'll stay somewhere. There we go. Start to pull this back a little bit first. Listen to this too. That was it. Spend time looking for that. Okay, we're gonna shove it in right there. I should take it first. Gotta be patient on this one. Got a little pinch on it, that should help. Get it lined up so I can mash it. Smack down on it. Try to straighten her out a little there too. No, don't break her. Turn flat out a little bit more on this side too. Good enough. Alright, tape it. Let's slice it up. coated and crusty. Let's see how I'm looking after that. It's plugged up. Looks good. Check that out.
Change is always happening. It's part of life. And when it comes to music, change is all around us. Songs are written, classic things, and us. Even our taste in music changes. Here at Xfinity, we know there's still good in keeping some things the same. That's why we want to do our part with a 5-year price guarantee on our internet. It means no matter what changes, you get 5 years of the most reliable Wi-Fi with our best equipment and cable. For a price that stays exactly the same. Surprise? Life is full of them. One internet price, 5 years, guaranteed. Learn more at Xfinity.com/deal. Restrictions apply. New residential customer needs. Tax guarantees accent and subject to change. Most reliable Wi-Fi based on OpenSignal or GSM. Fixed broadband experience support on 2022.
Everywhere we look, we're spending more for less. The gas pumps, entertainment venues, and grocery stores. It might be nice to get something new without spending more. How about something like a luxurious new bathroom? It's possible with a called the Premier Home Pros. You can improve your bathroom with installation just by calling 1-800-956-2217. delivers expert craftsmanship and premium materials at an affordable price. With A-plus rated by the Better Business Bureau, so you can focus on which fixtures and accessories to get without worrying about the quality of the job. The 3D buy might be more expensive, but a new bathroom remodel doesn't have to be. Call Premier Home Pros today at 1-800-956-2214 to save 50% off installation. Seniors and military are also eligible to save an extra 5%. So visit yourbathradiooffer.com or call 1-800-956-2214.
Progressive Motor says some surprisingly expensive things in life, like fences. A house with a big yard and a well-picket fence is started to dream, but then you saw the price to install a fence and you're wondering if the homeowner is dropping the price up. Nobody ever dreams of a beige or a gray picket fence, right? So maybe those fences are cheaper. But no, they're not. I remember that switching a home and home with Progressive could save you hundreds and make all your dreams of a fence come true. Progressive Capital Insurance Company affiliates and other insurers not available in all states.
Hi everyone. If you've been injured in an accident that wasn't your fault, we have legal professionals standing by to answer your questions. They'll tell you if you have a case and how much it's potentially worth. Call 800-931-3030. So if you've been injured in an accident and think you deserve compensation, call now. Find out if you have a case and how much it's potentially worth. Call 800-931-3030 to speak with a live person now.
Advertising sponsored by Legal Health Center. May not be available in all states.
Hey, Dodger fans, stay ahead of the pack by signing up for Tigers Fest. Your sport deals and exclusive ticket offers, free sales, team news, and more. Text Tigers WCSX to 39844 and sign up today. Go Tigers!
Change of Charles Roberts. Join us as a virtual golfer in the 8th annual Eagles for Children Charity Golf
Taylor Ford, you pay what we pay. Employee pricing for all, plus top trade cash on the spot. At Taylor Ford, we make deals, and we will earn your business.
Often asked that there are two types of people, those who got the Bernstein advantage and those who wish they did.
Cycle Gear. Come to the grand opening of your new local Cycle Gear. This Friday through Sunday, enjoy booth prizes and up to 60% off motorcycle gear. Get there, start here. Details at cyclegear.com.
94.7 WCSX. talking with my daughter about this. What are things in movies that make zero sense? Like she mentioned, you know, they make a U-turn in the middle of the street, they don't even know what they do. Okay, all right. That is the good one. Flip it over. What have you got? Things in movies that make zero sense. Coming up next on WCSF.
got some new oil in the crankcase. She's a happy gal. Civic hatch.